Circle L fence out here, putting some new post in for us. Out with the old, in with the new. Got all their goodies, buckets and more fence post loaded up. Did this little stretch out here by the road, and I'm not exactly sure what they're going to get into. I know they got some out back to do, so let them carry on. Somebody please tell me how you can hook a power shaft up to a tractor without getting covered in grease. Oh my goodness. But you know what? It is successfully hooked up. So I says to them, I says, you want me to run down and unlock the gate for you? And they says, if you don't mind. I says, sure. I don't mind helping people as long as you're nice to me. I'll be nice to you. If you're gonna be a complete arse, then, you know, I don't want to help you. That's just how it goes. There they are, waiting on the road. Time for me to go through. Let them know that it's okay to pull on in here. Give them a hand getting unchained if need be, and they can start going again. Whatever they're doing. So now they would like an escort. Okie dokie, an escort we will do. I don't mind it. Oh dear, I do need to go get my lawnmower and mow them two little thistle there. How the heck did they just show up right in the middle of the daggum pasture? I got no clue. But we'll get these guys back to where they need to be, and then I will head on out of here. So I don't need the other wagon right now. I can turn my attention over to cleaning up the remains of the old fence that the fencing crew took out. Yeah, that'd be it. So let me just go on ahead and open this gate here, and we will go get ourselves in there. What the heck would a bus be doing out in mid-July? Unless there was a field trip or something. Got no clue. I don't go to school no more, so not my concern. So I started cleaning up some of the mess from this morning. I was hoping I could get all the fence posts in the gator, but they still have wire on them from the staples, and I'm not going to go through all that. We just take the skid loader, pick it up with the forks, pick it up, carry it out of here, instead of screwing around like I'm doing, but just trying to get the loose ones while I can. So this is why we had the fence replaced, because the posts were starting to split. A couple of them were rotted off, like that one there, and we figured it was just better to replace it now rather than down the road when things got really bad with the fence. And then we had cows getting out all the time. crud. I hope those gators are back far enough. They should be. Timber! So what our game plan here is, there's a skid loader back behind me here. I'll back around here so you guys can see. This is over at the other farm here down the road. This 20-acre pasture. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna we're gonna have a fence here. That's what the pile of brush or a fence post is, the skid loader and the post pounder. Gonna run a fence around this whole area, tie it in over there, get rid of these T-posts, and that way we can have an actual true fence along here. Took the 644 loader and pushed on some more stumps and kind of cleaned it up a little bit. So that's what the game plan is here. So we will join back up with you guys in the next video. Kind of a preview of what's to come. Just doing a little fence repair and trying to keep the deer out, the cows in, if that makes sense. Well, looky there, I got a automatic gate opener. Didn't even have to slow down. Grab our block of wood. He's going to take that out back so we can cut on it for a little bit, get some firewood out of it, and just have some free heat. So it's the next day. Circle L fence is working over there. They're going to come this way. No, it sounds like they're back in the corner going that way. That's what it is. We'll catch up with them in a little bit. Well, so it's been a couple days since I've actually grabbed a camera or done something like this. Just because it's been so dang hot out. Things are falling down on me. And the fence is all rebuilt. So we're headed over right quick to go hook the electric back up over there, and we will show you the finished product. There's the cows enjoying the day. We gotta go all the way back over here where we dropped the tree the other day. Might throw that in this video, I'm not sure. A little snippet. We thought it was going to hit the tractor when Jason and I were scouting things out, but it turns out that it did not end up hitting the tractor. It just it went the other way and didn't end up hurting anything. And they got that all done up there, and it looks really, really good. We'll go up here on top of the hill. Oh yeah. Took the little 644 loader and pushed it, all the brush and stumps and everything away. A couple of posts that aren't exactly even, but it is what it is. Now we need to come through with a saw and do a little limb declearing or something along those lines. But there it be. That looks a whole lot nicer rather than looking at them darn T-posts all through here. Posts are a lot stronger than T-post is. Looks really good. Now if we can just keep the trees off of it, we'll be even better. So just got the electric hooked back up, or plugged in up the barn. We'll go over here and hook it up over there to power, or to gate that sends current from that side of the fence over to this side, and completes the circuit. So we'll get that hooked up and then we'll be back in business. Well, we put a ground tester on the fence and we're having a couple of issues. From there on back, so we're going to have to go back and then come this way and check the fence to look, see if there's any branches touching the wire, there's any grass touching it, causing it to short out. As could only be the two causes to cause the fence to short out. We'll get it figured out. Most likely a branch from a downed tree. Start at one corner up there, work our way down this way. It's what you gotta do, come out here and check the fence every so often. I guess they put this string of fence in too. Come to think of it, the poster, brand new. Just looks so trashy with T-post, but it's a quick fix. If you don't have a post pounder, we just had a company come in and make our fence, so that's what happened. Hopefully putting a permanent fence up too will help keep the deer out of it. What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. Oh, just looking at the fence a little closer. That old fence there's gonna be a problem. Deer gonna get caught on it, or deer gonna jump over it and gonna get the fence all caught up and everything. Surely pays off to have Gator, Kubota, whatever manufacturer UTV. We just like John Deere because you can get parts for them.